Hi guys, my name is Nonima Digela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about the Senzo Meyiwa case, particularly senior prosecutor George Baloyi, senior prosecutor George Baloyi. Shame, I must say, the one thing that Ubaloyi was to do in that cross-examination, it was very simple, guys. Discredit Sibiya. Discredit Sibiya, that was one thing that he was supposed to do. Hey, guess what? Yo, his strategy was simple. Discredit Sibiya's testimony by doing a divide and conquer, mentioning Ngomezulu's evidence, taking him back and try to confuse him, contradicting, making all the contradictions that he can find. That's what he was trying to do, right? And guess what? It backfired very fast. It backfired very fast. It did not hold any water. All I could see was that Mr. Baloyi is unable to do cross-examination. He can't. I thought at first Baloyi is not good with arguments. He's not good with cross-examination because it felt like Sibiya was doing the cross-examination without asking Baloyi any questions. Sibiya was holding Ubaloyi scrotum, guys. He was holding Ubaloyi scrotum. It was so bad for him. His face was telling a story of what the earth, what the earth. He was I don't think he understands what he did there with his facial expressions. He was perplexed. He was dealt with by Emahlabatini homeboy. The homeboy dealt with him like yabona lento yabo yokuthi hayi le ntwana lezi yibhari zezasemakhaya. Umakhaya dealt with him. Umkhaya dealt with him. Umakhaya dealt with him. Ibhinca dealt with him because what the F? What the F happened to Ubaloyi? Ibhinca dealt with him, Shem. It was a 10-0. 10-0 Ubaloyi. Enxaphe, if wena wakhe wabona ingulube, wakhe wayibona ingulube. Wakhe wayibona ingulube, abanye bathi ipig. Ileqwa zizinja. Have you seen when ebenxaphe engathi uthi ebenxaphe kula cross examination bekunzima. He was looking like I'm running away from dogs because what? If you have seen a rabbit or a pig or whatever is being chased by dogs, but the way he was so tired with Sibiya, so pissed, so perplexed, so all those English words, man, he was dealt with by Sibiya, blow by blow, left, right, center, middle, center, yay, top, bottom, top. He dealt with him. Ubaloyi, guys, izolo. It was so bad. He tried so much to trap Sibiya with the Mngomezulu's assertion, and hey, Sibiya was like, "Later, he was explaining thoroughly, dealt with Ubaloyi. It was not even funny, guys. But one thing that I think must happen is that Umnisi needs to guide him. Ambonise, don't fall trap into his tactics that he's trying there, because this guy. And then he talked about the meeting of Chloricop. It did not land because Sibiya got it, explained it thoroughly to him, dealt with him, and put him in his place very fast. Because he was trying to confuse Sibiya with the assertions that he was bringing. And he was trying, hey, at some point, I put it to you that you were never at Chloricop. Sir, your witness, your so-called witness, Uzungu, said he saw Sibiya in Chloricop. What do you mean now? Are you taking that one back? And the other thing that was funny, he even referred to Makuba's evidence, this one even referred to Makuba's evidence, but back in 2023, the same Makuba's evidence, he said it must not be considered. Why now is it supposed to be considered? I needed Mnisi at that point to come out and say, excuse me, my lord, didn't this guy say in 2023 the evidence of my Kubo is not considered? Why is he dealing with it? Why does it matter now? It was him who said it's not usable. So why must we use it now? Hmm? Why must we use it now? Chonga, I loved everything that this one was doing to. Now I don't even understand why is Baloyi coming back. I don't. Why did he say the time has expired? That time. I don't even understand because in my view, he was supposed to end the cross-examination because there's nothing empty. He is lacking substance. He is lacking substance in that cross-examination. There is nothing there. Kushwile. Konke nje bekukubi for real. Let's see what other people are saying about Baloyi on Twitter. Go and rest Baloyi. Muzi Sibiya uyindoda. You destroyed Zungu's statement and Danzi forced confession without putting a lot of effort. Ati Omunye, I cannot believe they framed accused number 2 in the Senzo Meyiwa trial has been in prison for over 5 years now, awaiting finalization of his case with bail denied, while the likes of danger multi-murderers like KT are out on bail. Senzo Meyiwa murder trial was hooked by some of these people mentioned, among others, Mizotingasho. Omunye uti, what is the relevance of these calls between Sibiya and Danzi that happened after the murder? Do we have calls similar to this that happened before the murder? No, we don't. No, we don't. Baloyi also confirmed naye ukuthi Makubo said that Muzi was arrested on the 19th of March for the murder of Senzo. The question is, why was he released? Well done, Baloyi. That's someone else. Omunye uthi Muzi uyindoda. Muzi uyindoda. Ubaloyi athi uMakhuba wathi wena ubungekho kuleya meeting Umuzi angaze ngikhulume nge-meeting mina. Jonga, Umuzi dealt with Ubaloyi izolo, frustrated the hell out of I have been following Muzi's testimony every time he tries to clarify a certain issue. The judge doesn't listen to him, nor give him a chance, yet he was giving state witnesses to clarify. It's alarming. And people are taking Crime Watch SA. They are like, we see you. We see you. Omunye uthi mina azange ngize ngifonele uNtanzi, ifoni ethi ifonele uNtanzi, watsho Umuzi ephendula uBaloyi. And then this person says, yeah, do you remember when Urata said phone can run by its own? What phone kaNtanzi can move by its own without a natural person? Yo. Hi, son. So that's what. I hate that the prosecutors focus on Muzi's Sibiya's family tree instead of asking about the day of the incident. Kanti, where is the crime scene by it? Do you know what else? What else is an issue for me is that the defense does not stand up and say, objection, your own relevance, your honor, oh my lord, relevance. Where is this going? Why are they not doing that? Because if it was me, every time he tries to go to a direction, I was going to say, objection, your honor. Objection, my lord. Where is this going? Badgering the witness with nonsense. Yo, I was gonna do something about that, guys. I do not want to lie. But it was nice to watch Usibiya standing his ground. Uti umuntu, I used to watch cases live at SA's court because my older brother is a lawyer, but I never ever seen a biased judge like this in my entire life. I mean it. A very predictable judge, a fighting judge. I never ever. Ashe xa judge Rata. So people were so proud of they were so proud of Umuzi, the way he did his thing. So that's what's happening on the Senzo Meyiwa case. Ubaloyi is seeing flames. I don't even know what he is going to ask today. I guess he was going to check what else can I do. But there's nothing to do. Umuzi is here, very focused. Told Baloyi to go look at his notes when he was asking something. He told Baloyi to go and deal with this one, Shem, to check his notes. Finally, someone had to stand up against the biased judge, Mokgwatleng. I love what happened in court yesterday. Aisha, listen, yesterday, Umuzi cooked Ubaloyi live on television. Why is he saying, bofunda kahle amanoti wakho ungakhulumi amanga kubalo? Yo! Hi, Sana. And omunye uthi Constable Zungu must be arrested for defeating the ends of justice. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to Baloyi and his cross-examination? I say he failed dismal to do cross-examination. He could not bring anything out of Sibiya. Instead, Sibiya dealt with him. Wena, what did you witness? Let's talk. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.